It's going.
Betty White, take one. Hey, this is Reed here behind the bar.
Kelly also behind the bar this time.
We're behind our new favorite bar, today's favorite bar, because when you can make great cocktails, your favorite bar is wherever you are.
But today we are at Murray's Fool Distilling in Altona, New York. And if you don't know where Altona is, that's what Google is for. You can figure that out. And we're in their tasting room. We made an appointment because as with lots of small businesses, our situation goes, this is appointment only. And we're going to make one of their signature cocktails.
And this is really exciting because it uses a kind of spirit that we haven't used before. It's an aquavit. And an aquavit, the story behind an aquavit is a Scandinavian spirit, and Sarah and Randall are here with us off camera, so they'll correct me if I'm wrong. It's a Scandinavian spirit, traditional spirit in Norway and Denmark and Sweden, or just all the Scandinavian area.
Scandinavia.
Yeah, exactly. And it has caraway and dill and other botanicals in it. And
which I wouldn't think would taste good, but it tastes good.
It's pretty darn good.
I was surprised by this. So yeah, let's.
Yeah, and if you don't live close enough to get to Murray's Fools, you will still be able to find aquavits of different kinds at your local liquor store. Some of them, if they've aged, are going to look a little yellow, and others, like the one from Murray's Fools, the Osprey Aquavit, is clear. So it looks like a vodka, but it tastes like an aquavit. It looks like a pump, feels like a sneaker.
Yes, it's one of those.
Okay, and the Betty White was named for a band.
For a band that played here, that apparently it was very popular and they kept making the drink, and here it is, and this is how these things happen.
So the Betty White cocktail is aquavit and a basil simple syrup, which we made, and
which we've talked about. You know how to make that now.
You can go to the video. We have a video on Instagram and on YouTube.
YouTube, right?
If you need help making simple syrup, it takes about 15 minutes, and then we top it with a grapefruit soda. We will use Izzy grapefruit soda, but take your pick. Lots of different.
Is that how you pronounce that, Izzy? I guess so.
Izzy.
Whatever.
I think it's Izzy.
You know what it is.
Yeah, Izzy enough to remember.
Exactly.
Okay. Hey. All right. So let's start with the aquavit. We're going to do 2 ounces of aquavit.
Okay.
We're using a shaker. I just put ice in a shaker. Oops. Right.
Oh, this is one of those.
Yep, we take one. All right. We're going to measure this out. Roughly.
You already poured a little in.
A little. So there we go. Okay.
So this is going to be.
Oh, okay. 2 ounces of aquavit. Pay no attention to the amount I put in this one.
Right, this will be a
okay.
Fuerte one.
We're going to put roughly an ounce of
the basil
simple syrup.
It smells so good, I can smell it from here.
Okay, we're going to shake this.
Go, Reed, go.
It's like I got a cheerleader or something. Now, you want to pour this over ice. We're going to use these awesome mason jar glasses.
This is perfect. I like these glasses.
This is beautiful.
Yeah. Didn't fill it all the way up, but that's because now we're adding
the grapefruit soda.
Oh, that's pretty.
It is pretty. We'll give it a quick stir.
Thank you.
And how do we make a pretty drink even prettier?
You can tell you're behind a real bar because you have an official stir.
You've got a bar spoon.
I know.
I gotta get a bar spoon.
We've used everything in the world to stir cocktails before.
I almost used a shish kebab skewer that one time.
No, I think you did.
No, you stopped me.
That's good.
Okay, see how you like the Betty White.
All right.
First time ever.
Oh, that is good. That's
good, right?
really good with the grapefruit. Sarah, you're a genius. You guys want to meet Sarah and Randall? Yeah, you do.
Okay, we'll mask
Yeah,
up
you do.
because
Mask
that's what we do.
Come on. Here they come. Here comes Sarah first.
So if you can make it to upstate New York and go to Altona or a farmer's market.
Come see Sarah and Randall.
At Murray's Fools Distillery. And even if you can't, make one of these at your place because your favorite bar, wherever you are. All right, thanks a lot. Now I get it all the way over there and turn the camera on.
Thanks, Randall. Bye, guys.